Let's center now and take that idea of being cherished, how we cherish ourselves, how we cherish others, into a time of meditation. And we call it entering the silence. Charles Fillmore called it going to headquarters. I like both of those. But in this moment, allow your body to just relax. Your shoulders to soften. Any tension to just leave your body as we focus on that word, cherish. In this moment, allow Spirit to bring to your mind someone dear to you. They could be here in the body, they could be in spirit. See them in front of you in your mind. And imagine from their heart a glowing emanation coming to your heart. And imagine that heart connection back and forth, glowing between them and you. Now allow Spirit to bring another person to your mind. They could be here in the sanctuary. They could be in another country. Again, they could be in spirit. Allow Spirit to bring that person to your mind, to see them in front of you. Cherish them. Share that love. See their heart glowing. See a glowing emanation come from them to touch your heart and send your heart love back to them. Allow Spirit to continue to bring to you anyone to your mind, and send that heart love back and forth. Feel it beating back and forth, that emanation that says, I cherish you, dear one. I love you. I love you. I love you. I share that love of God. And as we breathe in and as we breathe out, send that love out to the world, the entire world. Send your heart love out. We cherish each other. We cherish our community. We cherish the world. So it is.